Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to perform passive movement of the lower limb. Patient position is side lying with the lowermost limb is flexed. Therapist position, standing back to the patient. Holding and procedure, one hand of the therapist grasps the knee joint and another hand stabilizes the pelvis and perform extension movement of hip. To perform hip and knee flexion, patient position supine lying. Therapist position, standing at the side of the patient. Holding and procedure, one hand of the therapist grasps the calcaneum of the patient and another hand over the posterior aspect of the knee and thumb is kept lateral side of the knee. While performing the movement, the therapist hand from posterior part of the knee gradually moves and comes to the anterior side of the knee. To perform hip abduction and adduction, patient position is supine lying. Therapist position standing at the side of the patient. Holding and procedure, one hand of the therapist is just above the ankle joint. The another hand of the therapist is just above the knee joint. Perform the hip abduction in full range of motion. The alternative grasp to perform hip abduction and adduction is one hand of the therapist is over the pelvic area to stabilize the pelvic and another hand is over the posterior aspect of the knee. To perform hip internal and external rotation, patient position supine lying, therapist position standing at the side of the patient, holding and procedure, therapist one hand is just above the knee and another hand over the anterior aspect of the leg. Roll the patient leg to full range of motion, laterally and medially. Take the reference as patella. If the patella goes medially, it is medial rotation, and if patella goes laterally, it is lateral rotation. Another method to perform lateral and medial rotation of the hip. Patient position is supine lying with hip and knee flexed to 90 degree. Therapist position standing at the side of the patient. Therapist one hand is over the knee joint, another hand over the plantar aspect of the foot. Perform medial and lateral rotation by taking patella as a reference. To perform foot dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion and eversion, patient position is supine lying. Therapist position standing at the side of the patient at the ankle level. Holding and procedure. Therapist one hand is over the plantar aspect of the foot and another hand is over the dorsal aspect of the foot. Now perform the foot dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, eversion and inversion.